Alright, hey guys, back with another video. Today I have two hard drives from Seagate. Both are 2 terabytes. I got these for $84 on Amazon.ca plus tax. And yeah, they came in like this inside an Amazon box. But yeah, they're wrapped up very securely. Very nice. I'll put one off. We're gonna unbox this one or unwrap it. So yeah, let's just get right into it. The reason why I purchased this specific brand and this specific model was because I believe the website was called, it was like some benchmarking website, and this turned out to be one of the highest performing hard drives overall. And it was pretty budget friendly, so it was a very good price, you know, for 2 terabytes. So I decided to pick it up. Just gonna rip it apart. Alright. Here we go. It's out of the package. Now it's in here. Just gonna cut that open real quick. And here it is. Oh gosh, it's tight. But yeah, it's a 3.5-inch drive. Ooh, looks very nice, very nice. Wow. There's some information there. Not sure how important that information is. I didn't really read it. But yeah, okay, whatever. So here's the back. The sides, nothing interesting. Front and there. Yeah, that's gonna be about it for now. If you guys have any questions about this product, please leave them down below. I will do my best to answer them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.